So guys, in this video we are going to bypass the firewall rules. So before this, first let me go to this advanced settings of this firewall and let me create a outbound rules. So click on this new rule and choose the port and click next. Now I am going to block the 4002 sorry 4002 4500 ports. So I'm blocking 500 ports from the 4000 to 4500. So in between them, this computer cannot connect to the destination port if the port is in between the 4000 and 4500. Click on next and block the connection, and let's say name, or let's say blocked ports. So click on finish. Okay, now my rule was active. Now that Windows computer cannot connect from the port 4444. So we need to generate the payload that will connect to multiple ports. To do that, we need to say -venom -p Windows. So there is a payload, that is the meter operator, and the payload name is reverse TCP underscore all ports. So let me define the L host, which is my computer IP address, and say L port is equals to 4444, and let's say architecture x86 and output format as exe, and greater than let's say allports.exe. So now what this command does is, this will create the payload reverse underscore TCP all ports. This payload first checks for the L port 4444, will check for the 4444, and then if the port is blocked or there is no connection to the our victim machine, then this payload will try to connect to all the ports available from starting onwards. So this is very useful when there are certain ports blocked, then it will try to connect to all the ports available. Now let's try to build this. Okay, meanwhile let's create this sudo IP tables. So before that, first let's execute from the port 4444. Let's use this exploit multi-handler. We need to set the payload. And set the L host as our IP address and the L port as 4444. So now let's go on listen on this handler. Now let's copy this to the desktop. So now let me copy this into the Windows 10 machine and execute this one. So there are no handlers for other ports other than 4444. Now I am going to show you that this we do not get the connection because the 4444 is in between the 4000 and 4500, and the connection will be blocked by a firewall. So I have run that executable. As you can see, we did not get any connection, so our exploit failed. Now why our exploit failed means, this binary will be trying to all the ports from starting like 1 to 65,535, and if there is any handler like multi handler on our Kali Linux machine, then it will connect to our handler. So for that, what we are going to do is we need to redirect all those ports to this one port, which we can run our multi-handler. So to do that, we need to say sudo IP tables, and we need to add the rule to the pre-routing. So I have already told you this pre-routing is in the table NAT. We need to specify the NAT. I need to specify the protocol, which is TCP, because we are using the TCP payload, and it will connect that, use the TCP connection. And let's say D port, let's say 4000 to 5000. So if there are any connections coming for these ports in between 4000 and 5000, now I want to take the action which is called redirect. I need to specify 2 port, and I need to specify say 1 2 3 4. I think that's what the L port, so sorry, 4444. So what we are doing is, if any connection that is going to be the destination port of 4000 and 5000, then we are going to direct all the data into this 4444. Now let's go on, listen this. Okay, now it's, whenever we run this, we have already this ports.exe is going on and listening, trying to all the ports, and whenever we have added this rule, the connections between this 4000 and 5000 has been redirected to 4444. As you can see, there are 2 sessions open because we have run that 2 times. So as you can see, the destination port is 4444 4444. The source port is somewhat higher because it may be checking from the backwards on the failure, or it's trying the random port. So we don't care about the source port because this port is on the Windows 10 machine, and it's connecting to this 4444. I think it's connecting to somewhere in between 4000 and 5000, and that's why we got routed to this 4444. So we have 2 sessions open because I have double clicked this to show you previously that we did not get any connection. So it has connected 2 times because first time I have run 2 times. The first time it has connected in between the, like 4000 and 5000. That's why we have got the 44. In the same time, in the second time it's the same. So finally we got the sessions. So even though we have the firewall rules for the 4000 and 5000, we have successful 4000 and 4500. We have successfully bypassed those firewall rules. So why we have added the 5000 means we will get some more extra space over the 4500. So you can also say 4000 to 65535. It's not a problem. So that's all about for this video. I hope you have understood.